Ready to ditch those generic, trust-lacking SMS OTPs and level up your user experience? First, log into your Twilio account, or create one. If you haven't already, you'll be greeted by the Twilio console. Navigate to the messaging section, typically found on the left-hand side of the screen, then select Messaging Services. Now, create a new messaging service by clicking the Create Messaging Service button. Give your service a recognizable name, something related to your application or company, and select the use case as one-time password. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down to the Sender ID section. You'll see an option to add a sender ID or a shortcode. Sender IDs are alphanumeric names that appear on your users' phones instead of a phone number, which requires pre-registration in some countries. And shortcodes are short-digit numbers to send SMS. Depending on the country you're sending messages to, you might need to register your sender ID. Navigate to the Trust Center within the Twilio console to complete the registration process. This helps ensure deliverability and compliance. Go to your Programmable SMS settings. Find the section related to message content. In here, you will be able to customize the body of your OTP messages. Add your company name or a short description to make it clear that the message is from your application. And that's it. With a personalized SMS OTP, you're not just verifying users, you're building trust and strengthening your brand. Now go create a secure and engaging experience for your users.